how you define valuation?
Importance.
Everything is important. Scientific definition of valuation. Valuation is a term which is used in an economic sense, in bioeconomics basically. This is a topic from biological economics or bioeconomics. Okay, I'll give you an example, Kirtani, and on basis of that, you can make your thoughtful statement. Goa has 105 varieties of mangoes. Okay, suppose I display to you all 105 varieties. Different varieties like Manpurad, Malges, Musrad, Painandin. You understand? These are local mango varieties. Have you heard these names? Good, very good. That shows that you are still a Goan. I'm proud of you. So that brings us to me to the next question, Kirtani, and that question is childishly simple. I display all 105 varieties including Bishop mango, which is almost 1 kg in weight, which is green but still ripe, and you can very well taste it, but it's slightly sour, which is almost the size of a mini watermelon. And there are Koito, which looks like a koita, ripe one, twisted mango. What is now, suppose I display on the table all 105 varieties with their local names. What will be the taxonomic name of these different 105 varieties? Scientific name of these 105 mango varieties. What will you call them taxonomically? Taxonomic binomial name. What is the taxonomic name of Malpurad mango? Afoso mango. Give me name, taxonomic name. Lenient taxonomic name. Please keep quiet. I know you are soft corner for him. It happens. पुढे किती? कीर्तनी? Manjifera पुढे किती? Congratulations. He gave the correct name, Manjifera. Malges. What is the Malges taxonomic name? Musrad, taxonomic name of Musrad mango. Answer. Why? How it can be same if the names are different, the color of mangoes is different, size is different, shape is different, smell is different, taste is different, seed size is different, pulp ratio is different, sugar content is different. How taxonomically it could be same name? What you call them then, all this diversity, different varieties, what you call them? Palms, varieties, subspecies, what you call them? Cultivars, cultigens. So my question is now coming to you. In Kasavali village, in Marmagoa Taluka, there is one tree and it produces a mango variety which is known as ananas. What is the meaning of ananas in English, Kirtani? What ananas is known in English? Anybody knows? Tell him. You have heard of pineapple? Have you seen a pineapple? Excellent, good. That still shows that you are a Goan. How it tastes? How pineapple smells and tastes, Kirtani? Don't disappoint me, please. I'll have to jump from the gallery. Suppose your wife asked you to feed her pineapple ice cream during honeymoon. She will jump over the hotel or whatever. She will run away from bedroom. This can actually happen in reality, not in films. This has happened also in past. You like pineapple? So, to be short, ananas variety is given that name by the breeders who made the graft. because of the typical pineapple-like smell and taste of the pulp, right? Now, it has come to the notice of Indian Council of Agricultural Research fruit scientists, pomologists, that all over Goa they surveyed and they found that nowhere else they could trace a single tree of ananas variety. There are 6,000 different cultivars of Mangifera indica mangoes in the world, out of which 1,000 are found in India and out of which 105 to 110 are found in Goa. This is the mango diversity of the world, and India and Goa. Now ananas is one of these 6,000 varieties on our planet, right? And now it has come to the notice that in the entire country, in the entire state of Goa, in the entire country, India, in full Asia and the world, only in Kasaulim there is one standing tree which produces ananas mangoes. How will you evaluate that variety? Tell me quickly. How will you evaluate that variety? There is only one tree on this planet in Kasaulim village which produces ananas variety. What happens to that variety if the tree dies or it falls and it is dead? How would you evaluate ananas variety in Kasaulim village? Tree is still there. What is the value? Tell me how you evaluate. Because if you can do that, then this topic is easy for you. That is the purpose. Okay, since you are still struggling with pineapple, you are still struggling with ananas, I am asking you, giving you a last opportunity, I am bringing you a little closer to your home. Okay, Kankona. Have you heard or seen Khulchi Mirsang? Have you heard of a village or have seen or ever visited a village called Khola, Agonda, that belt you have seen this month, what they are drying on the road? Have you seen Khulchi Mirsang? I am really going to jump now. Have you seen Khulchi Mirsang? You know what is Mirsang? Good, very good. Mirsang means mirchi, Mirsang means chili, Mirsang means capsicum prutens or capsicum annum. Two varieties are there. So, have you seen Khulchi Mirsang? Where in Goa it is cultivated as a major crop, Kirtani. Which village is in Kankona Taluka? Where you stay? Okay. How far is Khola and Agonda from Chaudi in kilometers? You need a scale? 10 kilometers. So, you don't know what is happening 10 kilometers away from Chaudi? Have you seen Khulchi Mirsang? Then otherwise the questions are useless. Have you seen or used in the house Khulchi Mirsang? कसले काणकोण कर रे तुम्ही? लज मरे सामकी. Okay, fine. Now I am passing on the question. It is not a question worth laughing or really this one. It is a serious question. Khola is a village adopted under MP scheme. For at least last 300-400 years, that variety of Khulchi Mirsang is cultivated only in these places, 4 or 5 villages. 2 major villages are Khol and Agonda, you ask anyone. It is a very bright red variety with very smooth skin and very high carotenoid content and very pungent hot chili. Why it is used? Where it is used? Why it is used? It is used in authentic, right? Underline, authentic, traditional underline, Goan underline, 3 things. Authentic, traditional, Goan fish curry. You cannot use Kashmiri, Byadgi, Mysore or any other chili to make authentic, traditional Goan fish curry, commonly known as humad. Hum hatta te humad. घाम हाडटा ते हुमण, तोंडांतल्यान दायांतल्यान उदक गळटा ते हुमण, कडक तिखट ते हुमण, साखर घाल्ले गोड घाल्ले हुमण न्ही पेज. हुमणाक आपली पर्सनालिटी आसता. ती पर्सनालिटी काणकोणच्या खोल आगोंद भागान जे लोक गांवचे खोलची मिरसांग लायतात ते पर्सनालिटी ते वाटपाक दिता. हुमणान कितें जाय? खोलची मिरसांग जाय. गोंयचो नाल्ल जाय, हळद जाय, हे सगळें घालचें पडटा तुका. यू कॅनॉट पास ऑफ fish curry made in the name of Goan fish curry in the name of Kashmiri Simla Badgi Mirchi. That is nonsense. That is Simla human. That is Badgi human. That is Kashmiri human. That is not a Goan authentic fish curry. What it means is, for authentic Goan cuisine to survive for millions of years in future, you need to cultivate Kholchi cultivar in those areas which is good, having good soil and climate and irrigation and organic farming practices. So how do you evaluate Kholchi mirsang, which is not cultivated anywhere else on this whole planet? You got my point?